Hello beauties, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about a new product from Revlon, and it's their Kiss lip tint. That's how the packaging looks like. You can see I got two of these. I think they have 10 in their collection, and I got it from Target. Most of these shades were picked up, so I couldn't get my hands on all of them, but the ones I got is 220 pink something. It's called pink IRL, and the second one I got is 240 berry lit. So these are the two colors I got my hands on, and at Target I found them for I think $8, but price may vary depending upon where you are picking it up. But I will recommend go pick them up from Ulta, because Ulta mostly has buy one get one half off kind of deals on drugstore brands, so it'll be cheaper there. So that's how the lip tint look like, and I'll just open up the packaging, show you up close view, and I'll be swatching them on my lips, on my arms, and giving you my views on these. So guys, that's how the lip gloss or lip tint looks like up close, and they really remind me of Lancome's Juicy Shakers. I don't know why this product is different, but still the packaging reminds me so much of Juicy Lip Shakers from Lancome. So here you can see it's pretty simple tube. You have the name at the bottom. You can read out the name here too. You have a barcode, and once you open it up you have this sponge kind of tip. Excuse my nails, I really need to go to nail appointment, but yeah. So that's how the applicator looks like, and then you have to twist it up like so. You can hear the click sound. So here is like you have to hold it from here, and that's how the product comes out. So first time you will take little longer for like product to come out, but then it will be easy. So a lot of people have complained like about the packaging, because it's not very hygienic. Even if you're using it for yourself, I mean, you can easily contaminate the product or the sponge. You can have bacteria on the sponge. But I don't mind having couple product like this like on my makeup collection, because ultimately the wands you use with the lip glosses and liquid lipsticks, those are also sponge, and they go inside the tube. But here the sponge thing is on like top, it's not contaminating the product going inside the tube. So whatever contamination you have would be up here, and the product inside would be good for a longer time. So those are like purely my views. You might differ, you might think differently, but that's how I think about it. So that's how the product looks like when it comes out first. So now I'll be giving you arm swatches and lip swatches for both the colors. So guys, that's the lip swatch and like swatch for pink IRL, and that's how it looks like. You can see it's really glossy on my lips, and it's hydrating, and I can't like identify the scent. It's like sweet vanilla kind of scent, but like it's not very out there. So it's really light. So if you have problem with scents, it's really light, so it won't bother you that much. So that's how the shade pink IRL looks like. So the second shade I have is Beautiful Berry Lit, and I want to apply it and see how it applies. So guys, that's the lip swatch for Berry Lit, and that's the hand swatch too. So guys, those were swatches for both the lip tints, and I really like it. I have control over the application. I can apply a little bit of the product or more as I require. Like I can build up the color, or I can keep it really toned down. And I think they were mimicking lip tints from Korean beauty range. Like they have like very natural beauty products. I think they try to do that here because they look a lot like juicy shakers from Lancome, and that was what that product was all about. Natural beauty, just a tint of color on your lips. And I think it's like kind of drugstore dupe for that concept. I'm not sure, I mean that's my guess, and I really like it. I really like the way they are sitting on my lips, and I really want to see how they last throughout my day and how well the tint lasts. So I really like it. I'll be wearing it throughout my day, and at the end of my day I'll give you my views. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so sorry about this lighting. It's really late in night, it's around 9:30, and I was really busy today. We were out entire day doing grocery shopping and running errands. So here I am now, and I just applied this lip color when I was recording my video, and I haven't done any touch up. I had like water, I had juices and food throughout my day, and still you can see this beautiful tint on my lips. I'm really impressed. Like, it's really amazing. I haven't checked the lighter shade yet, but the darker one, the tint do last throughout your day, and it was really weightless when I initially applied it, and I didn't feel like I had like some product on my like lips. I was able to apply my lip balm over it, and I really enjoyed wearing this. And it wasn't kiss proof in the beginning, but later on as the tint settled, it was really kiss proof, and it wasn't transferring anywhere. And you can see it's little light now, but it's like really looking beautiful and natural. So you can really control the way how much color you want on your lips, and you can have like full on color, or you can just have a little bit of tint. So I really love this product. I enjoyed wearing it, and I recommend this product. Like, it's really amazing. I really love lippies from Revlon. So this is like something I'll recommend you guys to buy and try out. Maybe get a darker color and see it staying on throughout your day. So it's really like perfect thing to wear to office. So I'll be continuing to wear this, and that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.